Recently, we got a news about Galaxy Z Flip 5 display, and it's not about the cover display, but the inner display of Galaxy Z Flip 5, which almost shocked everyone. Although except that, we are going to get some big updates in the Flip 5, and there are some couple of new color options we are going to get on the Flip 5. And bespoke edition of Flip 5 is still a mystery, which we can solve for today. The crease on Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is the most concerning part of Flip 5, as iCinema shared this information that Samsung is going to use the old hinge on Flip 5, and we might see the same look and crease on Flip 5, but he deleted his tweet. Either it is true or not, but there is another source which claims that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Fold 5 will going to come with the new hinge design, which will help Flip 5 to come with a less visible crease. Now this news was already confirmed a couple of times, but still there is a doubt. With the new hinge design, we are going to get a big update, so we have to keep that thing in mind. A trusted source, Ross Young, shared the new color options for the Flip 5. In total, we have 8 colors on Flip 5, but 4 new color options added in the Flip 5 lineup, which are blue, green, platinum, and yellow. And other 4 colors will be beige, gray, light green, and light pink. Now that 8 color options will be available, but what about the bespoke edition? According to trusted sources, due to a bigger cover display, there is no bespoke edition this time. Reason being, one half of the phone will be all black and the other half of the phone will come with color. Now there is one important reason behind it. People don't like the folder design of cover display on Flip 5, so if the area around the cover display is black, then you cannot notice the folder design until you light up the display. And for bespoke edition, you can use the colorful cases, as these are the lead cases, and you can use the 2 different cases to make your own custom one. Along with this, we get the hands-on video of Galaxy Z Flip 5 case, which shows the folder design of Flip 5. And this is a hard case. Also, the fingerprint scanner is on the right side, and we are going to get a horizontal camera layout. For those who don't know, Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to come with a 3.4 inches cover display, way bigger than the last year Flip 4, which was at 1.9 inches, and a 6.7 inches inner display. The durability is something we are concerned about, and this time, with the new hinge design, Flip 5 was tested about 200,000 to 300,000 folds, and after 200,000 folds, the strength will remain at 85%. And for an average user who fold and unfold a device 100 times a day, your Flip 5 hinge will last about 5.7 years. Also, the cover display screen protectors are out, so we are getting a better protection on the outer display of Galaxy Z Flip 5. How long will it last? Galaxy Z Flip 5 batteries are already out, and one of the batteries is smaller than last year, but the rated capacity of Flip 5 will remain the same at 3700 mAh. Although the battery is same, but due to a new processor on Flip 5, we can see almost 2 to 3 hours more battery backup than the previous generation, and Flip 5 is the first flip phone to get Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Samsung is in a hurry to launch the next foldable lineup, and they changed the release date, which is in the last week of July, where the expected date is 26th of July, and phones will hit the market between 7th to 11th of August, but you can pre-order the day it will launch. Performance is no concern for the Flip 5, as it already beat the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which you can check in this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.